Welcome to our video on the best drill drivers of 2025. If you're looking to upgrade your toolbox or just need a reliable drill for your next project, you're in the right place. We understand that finding the perfect drill driver can be overwhelming, especially with so many options on the market. Whether you're a seasoned DIYer, a homeowner tackling repairs, or someone looking for a tool that can handle both light tasks and heavy-duty projects, there's a drill driver out there for you. In this video, we've picked the best drill drivers that cater to different needs. From compact drills for simple home repairs to high-power models for tougher jobs like drilling into concrete or metal, we've got a drill for every job. We'll help you understand what's best for your specific needs so you can get the right tool for the job. Let's dive into the top drill drivers for 2025 and find the one that's perfect for you. At number 5, Black+Decker 12 Bike Max Cordless Drill Driver. If you're just getting into DIY projects or need a drill for light tasks around the house, the Black+Decker cordless drill is a solid pick. It's lightweight and compact, making it easy to maneuver in tight spaces. Perfect for drilling into wood, plastic, or even light-duty metal. It's great for home use like hanging pictures, assembling furniture, or installing shelves. Saiu Keyless Chuck makes changing drill bits super easy. No extra tools required. The 11-position clutch allows you to adjust the power and speed for different materials, so you can avoid stripping screws or damaging your surfaces. Another nice feature is the LED work light, which helps you see clearly in low-light spaces, like under cabinets or in dark corners. For beginners or anyone who needs a straightforward tool that's easy to use, this is a great choice at a budget-friendly price. At number 4, DeWalt 25 Max XR Cordless Drill Driver Kit. The DeWalt 25 Max XR drill is a powerhouse. It's designed for people who need a tool that can handle more demanding tasks, like drilling into concrete, wood, and metal. With 2-speed settings and a powerful motor, it gives you control for both high-speed drilling, 0-2000 RPM, and lower-speed tasks like driving screws. If you're working on home renovations or construction projects, this drill can easily handle those tougher materials. The 1-2-inch ratcheting chuck is perfect for securely holding your drill bits, reducing slippage when drilling into tough materials. It also has a LED work light, which is helpful when working in dark spaces, and the compact size makes it easy to maneuver in tight corners or on overhead tasks. If you need a drill that offers both power and precision for home improvement and occasional construction, this DeWalt drill will get the job done. At number 3, DCA 20V Cordless Drill. Set looking for a drill that combines affordability with solid power for a variety of tasks? The DCA 20V Cordless Drill is a great option for anyone who wants a tool that's versatile and offers good torque. With 336 lbs of torque and 2-speed settings, it can easily handle drilling into wood, metal, and even drywall or concrete. This drill is perfect for home repair projects, furniture assembly, and even DIY renovation work. The 18+1 clutch allows you to adjust the power for different materials, so you won't strip screws or overdrive them. The flexible shaft is a huge bonus for getting into tight, hard-to-reach spots, and the LED light is great for working in dimly lit areas. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or tackling some heavy-duty home maintenance, this drill is a reliable and affordable option. At number 2, Avid Power 20V Max Lithium-Ion Cordless Drill Set. If you need a drill that can do it all, from driving screws to drilling into harder materials, the Avid Power 20V Max is an excellent choice. With 280 lbs of torque and a 15+1 position clutch, you have precise control when driving screws or drilling into wood, ceramics, plastic, and light metal. The 2-speed settings, 0-550 RPM, provide the versatility for both low-speed screw driving and faster drilling. This drill is also lightweight and has an ergonomic design, so you can work for longer periods without fatigue. The real-time battery. Level display helps you stay on top of your battery life, and the built-in LED light makes it easy to work in dark spaces. Whether you're working on DIY home projects, home repairs, or light construction, this drill is a great all-around tool that's easy to handle and offers great value for its price. At number 1, Comoware 20V Cordless Drill. At the top spot, the Comoware 20V Cordless Drill stands out for its balance of power, affordability, and versatility. With 266 in-lbs of torque and 2 variable speeds 0-350 RPM for driving screws and 0-300 RPM for drilling, this drill is ready for drilling into wood, metal, plastic, and even tougher materials like drywall or light masonry. This drill comes with a 25+1 position clutch, giving you precise control over your drilling and driving to avoid overdriving, screws, or damaging your work surface. The 1-hour fast charger ensures you won't be waiting around for long before getting back to work, and the keyless chuck allows for quick and easy bit changes. With 34 drill driver bits included, this set has everything you need to get started on your next home improvement project or DIY renovation. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned DIYer, this drill is perfect for a range of tasks, from furniture, assembly and home repairs to drilling into concrete or metalworking. It's an all-around tool that offers great value for anyone looking for dependable performance at a budget-friendly price. Summary: if you're looking for a simple, budget-friendly drill for home use, go for the Black+Decker 12V Max for more power and precision for home renovations or light construction. Consider the DeWalt 20V Max XR. If you need a drill for heavy-duty DIY projects, the DCA 20V Cordless Drill Set offers solid torque and flexibility. For a well-rounded drill for variety of materials and home use, the Avid Power 20V Max is a great option. For a balanced and affordable drill with lots of accessories, the Comoware 20V Cordless Drill is your best bet. Each of these drills is designed to meet different needs, so you can pick the one that fits your projects and budget the best. Happy drilling!